everyone, my name is Travis, and I will be doing a video review of the Muzata railing that I installed myself. If you pan over to the right side, you will see our beautiful view. I wanted to use a Muzata railing because of the cable tensioners in between there, or the cable runners in between there, so I wouldn't lose the view that we have. A lot of the reviews on the Muzata website were very in favor of using this railing system. The ease of installation and the quality look is what I was hoping to get. And I did achieve that. And this is a loft area, 1,800 square feet above the 1,600 square feet main level. From the loft to the ground is about 9 feet. So we had to have something strong and durable to prevent somebody from slipping or going over the edge of the railing. This was a pretty time-intensive project, but it took us a solid about 2 days to do the whole project from start to finish. I was hoping it would be a fairly easy DIY project. It was a little tougher than I hoped it would be, but it is a very well-built design, and we're truly very happy with it. I had to find a way to cut the stainless steel hand railings, so I ended up using a metal chop saw to do that. There was two challenges. One was trying to get the top handrail to cut and make a nice clean cut. Because I used a grinding wheel, it would get rather warm and it would discolor the steel handrail if I went too fast. The other one was crimping of the stainless steel cable. There's not a lot of extra pieces for those, so to make darn sure we had it tight, we probably over crimped them, but we had one come loose and I didn't want to make that mistake a second time. I'm extremely happy with the results. It looks amazing. It's very strong, very sturdy. I have no concerns about how long this project is, or how long this railing is going to hold up. The step-by-step instructions were very good, and if you do that, you will have a great product in the end.